Hey besties, welcome back to Speak with Aswathy. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very important for English learners. It is about thinking in English instead of translating in your head. So, if speaking feels slow or confusing, this episode will really help you. So, besties, translating is very normal. Most of us learned English like a subject, not like a language. So our brain first thinks in our mother tongue and then translate into English. Because of this, like speaking becomes slow or we get confused or feel nervous. But the good news is this can be changed. So thinking in English is not talent. It is a skill. And any skill improves with practice. You don't need to stop your mother tongue. Okay. And you only need to add English slowly to your thinking. And don't think big sentences. Start with small daily thoughts like I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm going to outside, I need water. Or say these in English in your mind. And this how the habit starts. So let's practice together. In the morning, we can say, I woke up early, I am brushing my teeth, or I'm getting ready. Or if you go to outside, we can say, like, I'm walking and the road is busy, or I reach my place. So in night, we can say, I'm tired, today was a good day. So simple thoughts, better speaking. So besties, don't translate word by word. Instead of asking, what is the English for this? And ask like, how can I say this simply? Okay. So simple English is always powerful English. So repeat after me. I think in English. I don't translate everything. I use simple words. I speak slowly and clearly. Yes, very good. Avoid these mistakes like waiting for perfect words or thinking too fast or feeling ashamed or comparing with others. So give your brain time. So for this week, I will give you a small practice challenge like think in English for 5 minutes daily and describe what you are doing and also talk to yourself in English. So the consistency is the key. So if this episode is help you, like this video and subscribe to Speak with Ashwati, share it with someone who wants to improve English. And also comment I will think in English. And see you in the next video, besties. Until then, keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. Thank you.